Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are pleased to present this Range Rover Velar plug-in hybrid, finished in Santorini Black and coming with one previous owner, full service history and 12 months warranty. 20-inch black alloys, roof rails and privacy glass are just a few of the fantastic features this Velar has to offer. As a plug-in hybrid, it delivers outstanding economy and up to 39 miles of pure electric range, covering most daily journeys with zero emissions. Open the tailgate and you see a generous boot space that is practical and suitable for all your everyday needs and adventures. Step inside and you're greeted by a stunning cloud leather interior with comfortable, roomy seats. Both the front and rear have generous legroom, providing ultimate comfort for all passengers. The dashboard is sleek and contemporary, providing exactly the luxury you expect from Range Rover, alongside a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. The steering wheel gives you direct access to voice control, heated steering, cruise control and lane assist buttons. Technology in this Velar is exceptional, with heated and cooled front seats, 4-zone climate control, and features like navigation and Apple CarPlay. It also features a 3D camera for run manoeuvring and head-up display, both impressive features to have. The panoramic sunroof can be opened, filling the cabin with fresh air and sunlight on those warmer days. This truly exceptional, high-spec Velar could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please click the link in the description below.